I was getting code P0456 on my Nissan Rogue, the 2009, and I replaced the vapor canister purge valve to get that code to clear, and it's located down on the back side. If you come in down here, this is your vapor canister, and then this is the purge valve. There is a connector here you got to take off, and then take your Phillips and then just pop that off and then slide it that way, and it'll slide right out. The only tool you need is this, and then you got to disconnect that connector up top, and then that's where it's located. If you're coming in over here, right next to your vapor canister, and that's what it looks like. There's the wheel.